quick update where I'm up to. The Falcon. The escort seats have turned up, so I'll just go pick them up tomorrow, and then put the seats in the escort, do a bit of test runs with it, and then I'll get a dyno tune. But in the meantime, I've been working on this old girl. Crap load of work. I basically work on this over the next couple of weeks. I'll get back in the escort and get a dyno tune and get all that sorted out. But I can't even take the escort. I can't even take the escort to the tuner. I'll have to get it towed there, because if I get seen out in the road with a car flat, the police are going to pull me up for sure. So this welder is bloody awesome. I got 0.5 wire in it. Turn the amps right down, and you can almost do a complete like continuous weld. Almost. I just do tack welds, overlap them, but it's perfectly aligned. Like, you can dress the back like that. There's all been welded. Yeah, it's coming along really well. So, yep, that's where I'm up to now. So, yep, I'll leave it at that for now, and doing the video soon with the escort.